Good day, my friends. Today I want to modify this little Massey Ferguson 295 that I bought about in 2016, I think, at a second-hand shop. But it missed this front piece all the years. And I take this switch cover, and it seems if this will look, or I can modify it to fit there. It's a bit thick, but I will make it thinner and get that shape. If you can see, it's not flat. And then I will put it there and maybe make some kind of weights in front here. This will come off and then make it grey as it should be. So let us dig in and see what we can do. Okay, firstly, I want to see if I can make a straight cut. So I'll bring you back. Okay guys, now I make it a little bit smooth on sanding paper so that it is even. Nearly there. We'll test it now and see if the thickness is more or less realistic. I think it's still too thick. Yeah, I think it can be more, go more. I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I think I will go with this for now. But if you look at the tractor at the front, it have a shape there. So I'm going to try and do that. So that it look better. Bring the sides down. Okay guys, I think I am now finished with this, but I will do the fine tune on the tractor. But you can see there's a little recess. There's a recess. So I want to use this piece of metal mesh and see if I can cut it and let it slide in there for a kind of a grill. So let me see if I can get that right. Okay, something like that. Now I must make it a little bit narrower to fit in there. And if I look, I can take, let me see, a little bit off. I just want to see, maybe just about 2 holes. Okay, let me try. Okay guys, there is our grill. I think I'm going to put it on the tractor. See, I've shaped it a little bit on the top side so that it looks good. And from the sides, it also look good. So I think what I'm going to do is glue it now together, and then we can do final adjustments as far as we can now. Okay, let me just get my glue. Okay guys, let's put some glue on the tractor. I just need to, don't put too much on. Okay, something like that. Just put the cap on. And then it go on like that. I think so. Yes, like that. We will make adjustments when it is set. Okay, I will hold it a little bit. Okay guys, let's continue with Massey Ferguson. It's now the next day for me. So I want to work off this corners a little bit. Okay, let me continue a bit. Okay guys, just to fill up this gap underneath, I want to put something here. I'll show you now. It is only this piece of metal. Okay guys, it's something like this. I just attach there a piece of metal so that just it breaks that little part at the bottom. Okay, now I want to spray this area the right color, and therefore I need to tape everything off, and then we will see if we can make an exhaust pipe maybe. So, and then make some lights of some kind. Okay guys, let's see what mess can I make. From the side. Okay, I'll give it time to dry a bit, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay guys, I'm not sure if it is dry, but I'm going to take the paper off now and come back to you. Okay friends, it look now something like this. Okay, it only need lights. Okay guys, I decided to switch over to the exhaust, but I have a plan with the 4 lights. I just want to spray this so that it can dry so long. Okay. Okay guys, let's go for the exhaust. Okay, here it comes. Okay, I think that looks good. It's straight pipe, stainless steel straight pipe. Okay, now I've got an idea for lights with yellow paint, and if it doesn't look good, I will get the right paint. So I'll bring it back quickly. Okay, let's try, guys. I hope it's not what I intend to do. Now I need that hole to fill up just a bit. Okay, something like that, guys. Begin cleaning of, I need to clean up there a bit as well. Okay, guys, I think there's our final product. It doesn't look too bad, I think, better as it was. This looks a bit too big, but I can always take it off and put something better on. But for now, it's a straight pipe. Okay, my friends, hope you like this short series. And maybe I'll show you 2 other tractors that is the same scale and the same manufacturer, and put it aside. Let me see how it looks. I'll bring it quickly. Okay, guys, I've got only the Ford that is now close by, but there's a Ford 6600, and I put the driver on the Massey Ferguson. So if you look, you can see it got the same rims, just different colors. It is both Britain scale 1 and 32. So maybe in the next video sometime we will make an exhaust and the air cleaner for that one. Okay, my friends, now I'm out, and hope you like it, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.